So me and Olive just finished playing with her little mouse toy, and I know I'm doing the intro before the rest of the video, so yeah, that's a bit weird because I already have clips of her being. Olive's just like, excuse me, mouse, we cannot afford you, and then she's just like, go away, I hate you. So you all know that you hate the mouse, don't you? Yeah, Olive hates the mouse. She's literally smacks it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Olive. Olive, look, the mouse. Taking the mouse out. Can we not afford him to live here? Yeah, we can't afford him, can we? So that's why we need to take him out. Take him out, Olive. Take him out. Just attention. What are you doing? Each tail, is that going to be a delicious mouse? Very delicious mouse. Olive does not like Mr. Mousy. Olive, Mr. Mousy, very naughty. Olive, hey, I don't want him. Okay, I'll take Mr. Mousy. Oh yeah, she's just walking away, leaving room for Olive. Olive, Mr. Mousy's back. The Mousy's back again. Alright, at this point, Olive just doesn't care. Mr. Mousy is on your head, Olive. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also really weird, I'm doing this right after I just done the intro. Because obviously, like I said in the intro, I already done all the clips. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this cute video. Olive playing with her little mousey. Hi, Olive. Do you like your mouse? Olive loves her mouse. She hates it, but she likes to play with it. So see you in the next video. Bye.